How to clear DNS cache in Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear DNS cache in Google Chrome on mobile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Chrome on your phone, and now here, once you are inside the Google Chrome, just tap on address bar and simply type chrome colon slash slash net hyphen internals nulls slash hashtag DNS and simply search for it. And now here, once you search for it, you'll be prompted to the interface like this. So here, once you see the interface like this, just look at the left hand side and simply select DNS. And now here, once you are inside the DNS, there, under the DNS lookup, you'll see the button that says Clear Host Cache. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, this will clear the DNS cache in the Chrome. And that's it. That's how you can clear DNS cache in Google Chrome. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.